Hi, I'm David Harris, Managing Director of Athenry Electrical, and welcome to Athenry Electrical's Knowledge Series. As the number of electric vehicles on New Zealand roads increase, so does the need for the infrastructure to charge them. We're here to talk about the safe installation and maintenance of electric vehicle charging stations. The EV charger installation itself is a high-risk article, and therefore it needs to be inspected on a regular basis, and it must not be connected to power until it has been inspected by a competent electrical inspector. That has to be done every 12 months. There also needs to be a site EV charger operator, and it's his responsibility to ensure that all the documentation is compiled and available upon request from WorkSafe. There is guidelines that are available from WorkSafe, which have been developed to ensure that compliance is met. If the EV charger is out of compliance, it must be removed from power supply immediately until such time is inspected and is ensured it's safe for use. So if the guidelines aren't followed, potentially you're in breach of the Occupational Health and Safety Act, or there could be penalties involved, particularly if there's harm or damage to plant and equipment. At Athenry Electrical, we have a team of skilled electricians who can design, install, maintain your EV charging station. Contact us today.